It is the first pact we make with reality each morning. We stand before the glass, and the glass agrees. That face, blurred with sleep, it is ours. Those eyes, they are ours. The world is stable. The reflection is the anchor. It whispers, "You are here. You are real." We trust the mirror, more than we trust anything else. It is the silent, cold, perfect witness. It does not lie. But there is a legend, whispered in the back rooms of antique shops, in attics heavy with dust and forgotten time. A story about a mirror that does not obey the pact. They call it the Umbral Glass, or the mirror of the unseen. It doesn't look like much. The frame might be simple wood or tarnished silver. The glass itself is heavy, cold, and often streaked. It looks imperfect. And when you first look into it, it works. You see your face. You see the room behind you. You see the light. You tidy your hair. You turn away, but you feel it. A coldness. A pull. A sudden, profound static in the air, as if you just missed a sound. So, you look back. And that is when the pact is broken. At first, it's subtle. Your reflection. It hesitates. You raise an eyebrow, and the reflection waits just a fraction of a second too long before it copies you. You smile, but the smile in the glass is not yours. It is older, and it does not reach the eyes. You freeze, and you stare. And as you stare, the image of your face, the one you practice every day, the one you show the world, it begins to dissolve, like watercolor in the rain. The features soften, blur, and bleed away, and the mirror is empty. For one terrifying second, there is nothing. You are not there. You are a ghost in your own story, the ultimate proof that you do not exist. But the horror is not the emptiness. The horror is what comes next. Because the mirror is not empty. It was just wiping the lie away. Slowly, from the dark, silvered depths, a new face emerges. It is not a monster. It is not a stranger. The terror is that you recognize it. It is you. But it is the you that never learned how to smile. The you that never learned to be polite. The you with the eyes that have seen every secret, every buried grief, every dark, joyful, primal impulse you spend your lifetime suppressing. It is the you that lives in the dark ocean, the you that waits in the abyss. It is your hidden self. The mystics who sought these mirrors, they didn't believe they were cursed. They believed they were honest. They understood that the face we wear every day is a mask, a necessary, beautiful, fragile construction. But the mirror, it doesn't reflect the construction. It reflects the architect. The legends are fragmented. A king, proud and powerful, looked into the umbral glass and saw only a terrified, naked child hiding in the dark. A woman, known for her kindness, looked in and saw a face of cold, calculating rage. A saint saw a hollow, hungry shadow. The mirror does not show you who you are. It shows you what you are made of. It shows you the other who is always walking with you, just beneath the skin. And as you stand there, paralyzed, the face in the glass, it does not judge. It pities you. It pities the mask. It pities the performance. It has been waiting for you in the cold, silent dark for your entire life, waiting for you to finally stop and see. We are terrified of these mirrors, so we fill our lives with polished, friendly glass, our phone screens, our filtered images. We curate 1,000 reflections a day, desperately telling the world, "This is me, this is me, this is me," hoping that if we say it enough, it will become true. But the umbral glass is out there. It waits, and it reminds us that the most terrifying question in the universe is not what is in the mirror. It is, which you is the one that's real, the one in the glass, or the one looking at it?